Here I have XIAOMI Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera. So basically, like in this phone you have only two different resolutions, like you have normal resolution, like when you're in a normal photo mode, but also you have like high resolution photo. I go into more, you can select this 108M, which is basically 108 megapixels ultra HD shot. So yeah, it's like ultra high resolution, and just in normal photo mode you have like normal resolution. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.